What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. If you get any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you're new. We're gonna go over XRP, guys. XRP exploded over the last few days. Over the last 24 hours, we're up about 4%. And then if we look at the last week, XRP is up 41%, guys. Incredible. We're sitting in a market cap of 44.75 billion. 24-hour volume is 6.74 billion. So we're going to quickly look over XRP. So we do have a bear flag that I want to make you guys aware of. And depending on where you want to measure your flag pole, even if you go from right here, it's going to take you up. Whoa, it's a bit overextended. So, sorry, guys. It's going to take you up right up to the golden ratio at $1.17. You can see we started to break out here. Bitcoin had an absolutely amazing relief bounce and came nowhere close to reaching its technical target. I had to close my short and I lost a little bit because your technical target was down here at 42K, and I was expecting Bitcoin to see that sell off, but the bulls just absolutely pushed the price right back up. If we break this high, that would just be an incredible sign of strength here. But what may happen, we're starting to trend into overbought, is we hit a little bit of resistance for Bitcoin, and then we see a bit of correction here. But we are showing tremendous strength here for BTC, and you'll notice coins like XRP pump much harder than they correct. All right, guys. So your next target is up here at $1.17, which is the golden ratio. So we're gonna pop over XRP into the daily chart. Now I've drawn out this trend line of resistance, and I think that would be a major level to break through. It's here at about $1.11. If we were to break through that and backtest it as support, I think that would be a major sign of strength as well, and now we're going to see continuation here. I will quickly pull out our fib here so it's just more visible for you guys. So you can see we're currently breaking through the 0.5, and if we hit that technical target, we're not only reaching the golden ratio here, but we'll also, let me just close this, we'll also be breaking that trend line. It's up here at $1.17. We'll also be breaking this trend line of resistance, would just be a massive signal of strength. You can see we've had the bullish cross for XRP, and XRP has just been exploding over the last few days here. Now, if we do see some consolidation or a bit of rollover here, as we are still overextended with Bitcoin, but it is looking very strong. I'll drop in this level of support about 85 cents, but we may not even come down to that level, guys, just because XRP has been showing some tremendous strength. We do have this $1 level of support, which is the 0.5 in the Fibonacci. So if we do roll over, we may just come back to back test it as support here. We are trending a little bit into overbought on the daily chart, so do be aware of that. So if XRP holds strong here and we consolidate in this area, it's a massive sign of strength. We break through this level of resistance, we get above the golden ratio. That's when we go up to tackle our high and head up to the 1.272 extension, which is our future price target here for XRP at let's round this up to $2.80. And of course, we have the 1.618 for XRP, which is up at about 451. All right, guys. And from the current price, that's an appreciation of a juicy 300%. If you're trading with leverage, it could be much more. And if you want to learn to trade with leverage, check out my full link tutorial. Sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses only till August 19th. So don't miss out on those juicy gains as well. You get $50 just for your first deposit. All right, guys. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that bull flag and the fact we have broken out of it. If we continue to hold $1 support, your next target is $1.17. And then after that, you have the 0.786 at $1.46 for XRP. All right, guys. So just a quick update. I hope it brought you some value. If it did, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Let me fix this up a little bit here. Make sure to follow me on social. We have over 1,000 members in the Discord talking all things crypto. You can check it out through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love.